Let's take a look at how you can prepare for the filming day and export your filming schedule. Once you've linked all media files to your scenes, you can prepare your filming schedule within the scene sidebar as well as the filming tab in the main scenario menu. To do so, start with assigning a filming location to each scene. Here, you see each location in which a scene needs to be shot, such as the front of a store, a storage, or outside of the building. You can also add a new filming location from here by simply typing in the name of the new location. Within the filming tab of the main scenario menu, you can set up the order of the scenes, as well as check for any missing filming locations. You can also mark if a scene needs a video to be filmed for, or if it requires the same video as another scene so that you don't have to capture the same moment twice. After finalizing all filming details, click the Export button in the top right corner to generate your filming schedule, organized either by scene order or filming location. For any questions or immediate assistance, click on the chat icon at the bottom right and we'll be more than happy to help.